This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
What's up, everybody? This is Luke Patrick with the iPhone appreview.com. Today we are slinging out yet another video review, this time taking a look at an application called Task Radar that's on my springboard ready to go. It's right there with the green sort of spinny icon. So without any further ado, we're just going to go ahead and boot this up and then show you how it works. So this is the main dashboard that you'll be using pretty much all of the time within the application. This is the main point, as it is radar. It's a nice little animated radar screen, and the idea is that it goes out to either 8 hours, which you can do this, or 8 days, either way. Same radar screen, and then all of your to-do points are actually saved within the radar. This is a rather brilliant idea as... well, I guess to give a brief overview, the center of the radar is, of course, the current time. So it's 3:44 p.m. here in Denver. And then as these points approach, they will slowly just start moving towards you. If you'd like to see specifically what they are, you can simply hit the little knob that indicates where they are. And then you've got the name of it. I named this one Test. You've got the deadline attached. You've also got the impact, which is more or less priority. So you can say no impact, low, medium, high. We really like these because it's just it's nice to have that kind of stuff so you can sort of keep track of what's most important in your daily schedule. You can hit task details and add some quick notes. I suggest make revisions to just kind of tap in some quick test notage. You can also turn on an alert, which is quite nice as well. Otherwise, you can change the category between work and home, which I'm going to change back to work, and then status as open or closed. So very simple, very quick to edit, very quick to manage, and all of that is done just immediately by clicking on the button itself. It goes to the screen. You can do anything you want to the point. If you'd like to share it, you can hit this button, and then email it out. There is no other way to share it yet. We would like to see some social media integration, but it's not a big deal. Likewise, you can delete the to-do simply by hitting the little trash can there. So that's the basics of what the application has to offer. If you'd like to see a list view instead of the radar, you can hit list, and then all of your points are located right here, including timers along the side there. You've got 6 days, 3 days, 23.2 hours. I tried to set them sort of apart so you could see how the radar works. One of the more interesting things about the application is that you can very quickly sort between work and home, or you can view all of them simply with a tap of a button on one of these down here. Likewise, same thing for 8 hour and 8 day. If you would like, of course, I have not got much within the 8 hour range. 8 day, I've got 3. Adding new to-do items is very simple. Simply hit the plus sign, type in a name, same sort of fields as we were looking at earlier, all the same stuff, deadline, impact, details, alerts, whatever, and then you hit done and away it goes. So very simple, very quick, which is something that we really look for in these kind of productivity / to-do apps. So to give our final thoughts on Task Radar, what do we think of it? We think it's a good-looking app. It could be slightly even better good-looking, if that made sense. It's got sort of the same sort of pinstripe stock iOS navy blue kind of look to it that we've seen in a ton of other applications, and it's not something we particularly favor. We feel like a custom UI, a custom UX would be a rather large step forward for the application, but then again, everything in the app is extremely simple to use and we had no problem moving around. So with all of that in mind, as well as the fact that this is definitely one of the most unique and most interesting productivity sort of concepts that we've seen in quite a while, what do we give it? We're going to give it a 4 out of 5 star rating. That's what we have to say about it. And we do think it's a good productivity app. And, like we said, the radar concept is absolutely brilliant. We're not sure why this isn't even, why this hasn't appeared before. So Task Radar is definitely doing something on its own that's very entertaining and very interesting, as well as also productive. So again, Task Radar gets a 4 out of 5 star rating from us, as well as our recommendation. And that's all we have to say about it. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and sign out, but we will see you guys later. Bye.